Okay guys, I just want to show you a kind of a walkthrough of where we are with Noir right now. So we're still in beta phase 2. The beta guys have not gotten this build. This is the most recent build. The only thing left to do is to implement the in-app purchases. But I'll take you through what I've gone through so far, given what people have already given as feedback and whatnot. So let's get at it. Now, I'm not going to go through the process of creating an account because you guys have already seen that. So I'm just going to log into a dummy account and show you guys what's up. So, of course, here we are in our normal feed view where you can see that's the global users, that's local users for anyone who's local to you, anyone that's in your favorites, anyone that you are having conversations with, anyone you have flirted with. Some of the new things is that this has all been put into a table view, so it all looks really structured now. And you can see that at the bottom we've included some new things. One being delete your account, where if you were to go ahead and delete it, it gives you a little warning saying, hey, you're going to delete your account. And when you delete your account, it deletes it and logs you out, and that's it, you're done. Terms of use brings up the terms of use, privacy policy, about, and that's about it. And of course, you can still make any other changes that you normally would, you know, need to change your age or whatever. Those things all still work. Of course, now we have the shopping stuff, which is great. This is all here where you can see now these prices are obviously not final prices. They're just placeholders for now. But you have your ad free that you can buy. It's a one-time purchase. You buy it, your app becomes ad free, and you're done. That's it. If you buy any of the memberships, what you will get is an unlimited number of people in global. You'll get an unlimited number of people in local, and your local radius will be increased from 10 miles to 50 miles. So that's anyone within driving distance to you, which is fine. If you're going farther than 50 miles, you're just too thirsty, get over it. And at the bottom, of course, there's the GoFundMe, where if you, let's say you buy the ad free, but you want to continue to, support the app in some way and keep the app going, because this does cost money. The server is going to be costing me every month so far, and the app hasn't made any money yet. So it does take money to run these things, and the more people that join, the more things we're going to need. We're going to need, more robust servers. We're going to need more space. We're going to need faster connections. We're going to want to add new features. We're going to want to, fix bugs, stuff like that. And to justify my being able to do it, this has to be able to pay for itself. It has to sustain itself. So we have the ad free, which will help. GoFundMe, if you want to hop on over to the GoFundMe page and donate, which would be fine. Of course, all the buttons are buttons. And of course, there's the monthly membership for the unlimited access to everything, where you have no ads and you can see an unlimited number of people. And your favorites are also going to be unlimited, and the flirts you can send out will also be unlimited. And that's what you get with memberships. If you opt to not have a membership, pretty much you're going to experience the ads. So you're going to have the ads there. You're going to have ads here. And that's about it. What I'm thinking of doing is adding something where if you watch a video commercial, then it'll do something like increase your local radius or add 5 people for each video you watch, for a night or something like that. That'll probably come later on just to give people more options. But this is what we're looking at so far, and I think everything's coming a long way. Things that did not work before are things like the block button, which does now work. But let's, if I take a general walkthrough, you log in, this is the screen you see. You want to see who's near you. Oh, okay, great. There's someone near me. You click on it. Hey, you like what you see. Swipe to the right to flirt. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Swipe to the left to remove that flirt. If the user has something in their profile that goes against the rules being racist, or if there's nudity, or if there is overly vulgar language, if the user is harassing another user, cyberbullying, stuff like that, you have a report button and you can report the user. This screen here will remind you as to what is a reason to report someone. Of course, if you were, say, you know, you're talking with someone and you just want to block them, they're just being whatever, you hit the block button. Done. But let's say you like them, they're a really cool person. Hit the star. That's your favorite button. Done. You want to have a conversation. You go on ahead, you hit the chat button, and it will pull up any chats that you might have had that you might not have had. Or if it's a new chat, it'll just start a new chat. And of course, I want to also show the alerts and how that works. So what we're going to do here, at least I think, let me log in with a different account on my computer and we will actually show you how the alerts work. So bear with me for 2 seconds. Well, it's going to be longer than 2 seconds, but you guys are okay. Ciao. I don't know why I did it this way, but I did. It's long because I'm logging in with my own Noir account. Okay, so let's say, I go on ahead, I see that there is a chat going on, and I reply. The icon down in the lower right will turn green whenever you get a new message. That's how you know. It's an easy way to do it. I'm thinking about adding a vibrate, but outside of that, and of course if you click on it, it'll ask you, oh, what are you looking at? What's going on? Great. But I want to also show you where if you are outside, you'll get a vibrate, you'll get a sound, and you'll also get a number of messages that are coming into your app. So it shows right there on the badge. Gives you a little, vibration. If you have the sound on, it'll, do the default sound for an alert to let you know that you got a new message. And sure enough, down there, we have our green icon. And it's letting me know that, oh, we got a new message. Now, what's going on at this point in time is that I'm trying to see how to make this load a lot quicker, faster, whatever. Because as you see here from testing, I just have a lot of messages. This is when I was testing the notifications, trying to make sure that they work. But the notifications work, which is great. So there you go. That's pretty much where we are. The heart and the top is your favorites. The button next to the heart is your refresh. So if you want to reload the list of people to see who logged in that's new, you can just hit the refresh and that'll do that for you. Of course, you have your shopping button up there. And that's it. When you're done, you don't want anyone else to see you or bug you, just log out and you're done. So that's it. I hope you guys got something out of it just to see where we are with this and to know that all I have left is implementing the in-app purchases. And after I do that, this sucker will be submitted to Apple and it'll go live if Apple approves it. So I just want to thank everyone who did help out with this in terms of their beta testing, because just the fact that you installed it gave me a lot of information. So that, that alone is thanks. And You guys will also be getting your accounts switched over to be ad-free by default for helping. So that's a great little bonus, you know, so you guys don't have to deal with all the ads that will be popping up here and there and whatever. So, yeah, I just want to give you guys that update.